Dr. Mike Ryan answering the question, how does cold weather affect my varicose veins? Well, it's actually something that it can affect the vein function. Uh, it's paradoxic because the cold weather actually makes the veins work better, but usually you're uncomfortable and you don't want to be in the cold weather very long, so you actually get out of the cold and then the vein problem comes back. Let me explain. When you're cold, your circulation is affected because the veins constrict, and that's the medical word for tightening down and getting smaller. They squeeze down. When they squeeze and get smaller, the little valves inside that aren't working come together and they actually start working again. So they actually work quite well, and it's pretty remarkable. I see this kind of constriction when I'm doing treatments sometimes, and the veins can squeeze down quite small, and there's literally no reflux or this abnormal circulation when that occurs. When you're cold, the same thing happens, but people don't like being cold, so they're not cold for very long, and they want to get out of the cold and they want to get warm. As soon as they get warm, the circulation begins to change, and the stimulation in their circulation to cause this constriction, this tightening, is removed, and the veins get big again. And sometimes they actually get a kind of what we call a reactive effect, where the veins actually get even bigger after they warm up, which is something you may have noticed if you got really cold out in cold weather in the winter. When you come in and warm up, all of a sudden it's really beet red and warm and flush. That means the circulation is really expanded. So it works temporarily, but not really very long when you're in the cold. So this is Dr. Mike Ryan answering the question, how does cold affect my varicose veins?